everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we are discussed about how to share the things equally. Division is called it as equally sharing. These are all the things we are discussed in the last session. Now take your studio book, page number 118 children. Activity number 5.6. Find the quotient of these division facts by grouping any object of your choice. One has been done for you. Question number A, 10 divided by 5. Total number of object is equal to here 10. Then number of groups will be the second number equal to 5. Now we have to draw the groups. We have to make a circle. Then we have to draw the objects. Here the total number of objects will be 10. So we have to draw the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First set will be finished. Then we have to draw the second set. 5 after that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the total number of objects will be 10. So each group consists of 2 stars. So number of objects in each group equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Like that we have to draw the division facts by grouping objects. Now next page number 119 in your studio book. B option, 8 divided by 4. Here total number of objects equal to the first number 8. Then number of groups equal to second one 4. Now we have to draw the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. Now we have to draw objects. First set 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to start next step. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are getting 8. So 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Each group consists of 2 stars. You have to draw any objects in it. Now we will move on to the C option. 9 divided by 3. First, total number of objects equal to 9. Then number of groups equal to 3. Then we have to start drawing the groups first. 1, 2, 3. Then draw the objects. First set 1, 2, 3. Then the next set 4, 5, 6. 6 only coming. So we have to start the next set. 6 after 7, 8, 9. We are getting the total 9. So 9 divided by 3 equal to one group consists of 3 stars. So 3. Like that we have to draw the division by grouping of objects. Now pause the video here. Next sums you have to do by yourself, children. Now check your answers with my answer, children. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Then 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Hope you all get the correct answer. Next, studio book, page number 120, children. Look deep activity, activity number 5.7. These 3 cupcakes need to be shared equally by Maya, Jaya and Nakul. 3 persons going to share the 3 cupcakes. How many cupcakes do each of them get? Now, it will be Maya's means it will be Jaya's. It will be Jaya's mean it will be Nakul. So, each person will get one cupcake. So, write here 1 cupcake each. Right, it has a division fact. First will be total number of cupcakes. Total number of cupcakes will be 3. Second divided by is equal to number of groups. It will be 1, 2, 3 groups. So 3. So 3 divided by 3 equal to quotient or else number of objects in each group. Each group consists of 1 cupcake. So 1. See here, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. This is the answer for the first question. Next one, second one. There are 5 seeds to be planted equally in 5 pots. See here, 5 pots are there. Only 5 seeds are there. Now we have to planted in 5 pots means we have to put 1 seed here, second seed, third seed, fourth seed, fifth seed. So each pot consists of 1 seed. How many seeds are planted in each pot? 1 seed. So write it as a division fact will be there are totally 5 seeds. Then how many groups are there? How many pots is there? Yes, 5. So 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. So 1 pot consists of 1 seed. So 1. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Then by observing the division facts of question 1 and 2. See the first fact. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Second fact. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. What do we get when a number is divided by itself? When we divide one number by itself, we will get the number 1. We will get 1 because any number is divided by itself, we will get the answer number 1. Hope you all understand it. Next, studio book, page number 121, children. Hence, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. Write the division facts for the following images. Question number A. 4 chocolates are packed into 1 box. We have to pack 4 chocolates in 1 box. So, we have to pack it in 1 box. How many objects are there? 4. How many groups are there? 1. So 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 box consists of how many chocolates? 4. Option B. 6 flowers are bundled into 1 bouquet. The 6 flowers are going to bundle in 1 bouquet. So now we are going to write the division fact. How many flowers are there? 6. How many bouquet we have to do? Only 1. How many flowers it consists of? 6. See here, 6 divided by 1 equal to 6. Now, C option, 12 pencils are packed in 1 box. See here, there are 12 pencil colors. It will be in 1 box. Total number of pencils is 12. Then, it will packed in 1 box means we have to put in 1 group. So 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. Then by observing the division facts of questions now, 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4, 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6, 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. What do we get when a number is divided by 1? We will get the same number. See here, 4 divided by 4 will be 4 divided by 1 will be 4. 6 divided by 1 will be 6. We will get the same number. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. We will get the same number. When we are divided by numbers itself, the quotient will be 1. When we divide a number by 1, we will get the same number. These two statements is very, very important. Now, let us look at these example. Suma has 20 candles to decorate dinner. Suma has 20 candles. Now, she is going to decorate the dinner table. She places 4 candles in each table. In one table, she is going to put 4 candles in each table. Now, what if we know the number of objects in each group? Now, we are going to see number of groups and we need to find the number of groups also. How many objects are in the group? 2 things we have to find it in this question. Let us find the number of tables she can decorate. How many tables she can decorate? We have to find it out. Then 20 candles put into equal groups of 4 candles. Now see here, she is going to decorate the table in 4 candles in each table. First 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the 4th table, 13, 14, 15, 16. In the 5th table, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, each table consists of 4 candle. It will be having 5 groups. See here, 20 candles put into equal groups of 4 candles gives 5 groups. 20 candles put into equal groups of 4 for each candle in 5 group. Like that we have to decorate the table. Next, studio book page number 122 children. As a division fact, this can be written as 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Because total number of candle will be 20. Each table consists of 4 candles. So finally we have 5 groups. Therefore, Suma decorate 5 tables. Here each of the number represent the following. 20 is the total number of objects. 4 is the number of objects in each group. It will be changed. Number of objects in each group. Then 5 is the number of groups. How many tables are there? Will be a groups. 4 will be the objects in each group. It is changed. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Like that we have to represent the question in division fact children. Activity number 5.8. Name 2 things that belong to you that you would like to share with your friends. Write here what are all the things you have to share with your friends. You have to write it here children. Next, would you divide them equally? If it is you are going to share means you have to divide the things equally. Yes means tick it here. No means tick it here. Now, how do you feel when you share your things with your friends? You have to tick it here. I like sharing my things. You are happy means you have to share tick here. I like sharing only a few things. I want to share only few things alone means you have to tick it here. Then I like to keep my things to myself. I don't want to share. I will keep my things with myself alone means you have to tick it here. Like that you have to do this activity children. Next, studio book page number 123 children. A teacher has 12 saplings. She gives 4 saplings to each student. She is going to give 4 saplings to each student. How many students does she give the sapling to? Now, draw a circle around each group of 4 saplings to find the number of students. Now, we have to draw the circle. See, one student will have 4 saplings. So, we have to circle 4 saplings. The second sapling. Then, the third sapling group. So, one student, second student, third student. So, 3 students will get the saplings. So, 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. 3 groups of that. Therefore, the teacher gives sapling to 3 students. Division help us find the number of groups when we know the number of objects in each group. When you are knowing each group consists of these much objects means we have to find the number of groups in division. Division helps us to find number of groups for the given sums. Next, companion activity 5B. This will be your home fun. Next, companion book, page number 51, children. 5B activity. You have to read the instruction, do the sums. For the first sum, Joey has 18 marbles. If he want to put in one marble in each bag, how many bags will he need? You have to separate circle in one marble means after that how many bags she will need. 18 divided by 1 will be, what is that? You have to write it. First sum, second sum, third sum, fourth sum. Till this, write the answers, upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Those are all not having companion book, take a screenshot. Till this, we are ending up today's session. In this session, we are discussed how to find the number of groups which the number of objects are given using division. Like, bye bye. We will meet in next session, children.